And hello, boys and girls. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. Now, here's an East Wing, one of my favorite hatchets. Now, Revolting Man, I check out his channel. I like his Alice gear and how to use it, and I know how to set it up too. Now, I used to have tomahawks, but I got tired of replacing the handles. So I use one of these to throw at people. I won't throw it because I'll have my hand with it, pounding into people's heads. Because uh, let's see. Okay. Why is it I get messages? Okay. Another message. Great. Another message. Okay. Okay, folks. This is blog for SHTF projects, Christmas projects for Hubble's cat. Basically, I would have everything set up, but unfortunately, my nephew borrowed a few things. So, where's Dino? Oh. Yeah, my idiot nephew who went to college stole my stuff out of my sewing kit. So, anyway, it's a Christmas project for FTHF. Unfortunately, when I opened it up, a few things were missing. So, Uncle Alan's not that happy. Not really happy. No, no, no. Okay, my stitching awl. That's the wooden awl. Has a thread and needle to stitch with. My sail needles are all gone. My sailing thread is all gone. All my glue sticks are all gone. Now, why I call this FTH project glue sticks and a sewing kit? Well, big important is you got to fix things after SHTF. Things rip. But Hubble's cat thinks, oh, I'll just go down to the grocery store or supermarket or department store and get some new clothes. Well, all the clothing are gone. If you ever seen Katrina, you can pick up rags off the street, but most of the clothing will be damaged and you have to fix it. Also, like and subscribe to Old Uncle Al, aka Diebulfrog79. Now, after the purge, I've been checking out other people's channel, unlike my friend Steve Foco. I think all of his stuff either went private or it's gone. I only see one thing. And thank you for the VR, Steve. Now, let's see. Before we get any further, big shout out to my favorite gamer, Bethany. Hey, Bethany. Liberty Gardens in Texas. Random Lady. Steve Foco, of course. Rob Painless. And our favorite Swede, Jordan Jacobberg. Inspired John. Hey, John. You made me feel old. I was only 19, Uncle Alan, in 1997. Oh, God, I feel old. Okay, Matt A's prepping and survival. I got another message. Driving that dash out. Just in time prepping will on every Wednesday and Saturday. Will's on Wednesday morning and Saturday at night. And I forgot. I think I was supposed to do a shout out. Uncle Alan's memory is going little, little, little. Oh, Jeep Things Outdoor with Johnny. He's doing a giveaway, so check it out. I don't know, I can't remember. Uncle Alan has a few brain cells loose up there. So, hey, Johnny, I'm doing a shout out for Jeep Things Outdoor. Okay, back to the sewing kit. Now, like I said previously, my nephew, God bless him, took my stitching awl, my sail needle, sailing thread, and glue sticks. Now, glue sticks, looking at my notebook. This is when you get old, you can't see things too well, kids. I'm still having trouble with my eye right here, so I keep it closed. Always fun waking up with a bunch of pus. Now, a glue stick is from a glue gun. Glue gun has a heating element and melts the glue stick, and you can do your projects. And you can get glue stick at hardware stores or arts and crafts stores. Now, nice thing about glue sticks is out in the woods or during emergency, you can heat it up with a candle, or you can heat it up with open fire. Just hold it there until it melts. And then you fix your tent, any leakage or rips, your shoes, clothing, works fine. Heat it up, dab it on, and it's sealed. Simple as pie. Now, let me open up. Usually I have this in a roll, and I'll have a few things. I always have safety pins. This is the medium-sized regular safety pin. And then I have skirt type safety pin. Oversized safety pin, there's 3 here. And then my favorite always, blanket pins. Okay, I have another one, it's horse pins, but they also took that away. Thank you, nephew. God bless you. You gotta bless those guys. Drive them clown nuts. So let's put away the safety pins. Safety pins. Now, what they didn't find, and probably they were looking for, are curved quilter's needles. You want to get a large and a small. But they got my sailing needle and my sailing thread. That's used for canvas. So anyway, you got your glue sticks. You got a sharp pair of scissors. You got an assortment of needles. Okay, you got thread, a lot of thread, a bobbin. It's a real easy project. I use a plastic school case for pencils or art supplies to do all this stuff. And then, let's see, I'll have iron-on patches. Again, if you have a campfire and you know what you're doing, just heat up a cup with rocks and you put it over whatever rip or tear, tent, canoe, kayak, and heat it on, and you have an instant patch that won't fall off or goop off. Or you glue it with the glue stick. Oh, I have 1 sailing needle left. Great. Okay. You can see that, kids. I got 1 sailing needle, a big one and a small one, and then some more curved needles. I love my kids. Drive Uncle Alan nuts. And then I got more thread. And then I got some fine cold golden eye needles. These are really fine needles. And they asked me, why do you need fine needles, Uncle Al? Well, a lot of people don't understand, but Uncle Al used to be a missionary, and I used to stitch people up. That's why I have this set of really fine needles, because if I use a big sailing needles on your butt, I think you tend to scream like hell. And also you should have one of these if you're using that small of needle. Can you see that? It's put thread through it. I wonder if it's, let me fix this over. Anyway, I hope I don't get, yeah, I'm going over 10 minutes. Sorry about this, kids. I'm going to half blind, can't see anything. Okay. Now you see that little wire thing that goes through the needles. I think you can barely see it. Okay. And then you got scissors. Sometimes I'll put a magnifying glass loop in here and some other stuff. I'm getting old, getting tired. And it's a simple kit. Fits all inside of here. Also, if possible, I'll have some lacing or bootstraps This is lacing. This is really good, leather lacing. And then what a lot of you kids don't understand, Uncle Alan carries little pieces of cloth like this. It's pre-sewn. It's used to replace belt loops or anything else I need to. I have zip ties too. I can put things on my Alice packs. And I want to show you kids really cool things. You know, like, Uncle Al, we use zippers and whatchamacallit, the pulley things. Velcro. Well, that doesn't work all the time and you need buttons. This one's a coat button, sweater button, and then for the big overcoat buttons, and people look at Uncle Alan like, why did crazy Uncle Alan have buttons? Well, when your pants fall down, you can't figure out how to put it up. You think, oh, Uncle Alan was very smart. Assorted buttons and shirt buttons. Now, a lot of people think, well, I could use safety pins to put up my clothes. Well, that goes so far. You got to know how to sew and you have to know how to repair things. Anyway, boys and girls, Tina, where are you? He's wandering around. Ah, there he is. Okay, boys and girls, Uncle Alan's getting a little tired and got to do 2 more videos today. So anyway, I'll catch you later, boys and girls. This is Dino the Dinosaur. Bye. Anyway, this is your old pal, Uncle Al. Like and subscribe down below. Now leave a comment. I'm trying to do stuff, but lately, good thing, yesterday's doctor visit, they told me I don't need that catheter or the pee bag strapped to my leg anymore. So I'm real happy about that. So that's about it, kids. I got to eat some food. My sugar level's wobbly. And I'll get back to you in a bit after I get this processed. Bye, kids.